In this video, let's discuss what we at MedRevisions do to combat the changes in the PLAb 1 exam, and if these questions are similar to the ones you find in the exam. In our question bank, we provide 4,400 PLAb 1 exam-style questions. These questions include recent PLAb exam questions, and we continue to add questions from the most recent exam. We provide complete explanations not just for the correct answer, but also for incorrect answers to ensure you have a comprehensive understanding of the concepts. Furthermore, these questions are carefully monitored and revised to match the most recent exam quality and difficulty. As a result, we have a pool of PLAb 1 exam-style questions with various difficulties that can help doctors tackle any PLAb 1 exam. We noticed in a year the exam difficulty level and the length of the questions vary significantly. We as a company want to ensure that you are able to pass this exam no matter what the examiner throws at you and provide you with the best platform available to achieve this. Therefore, we ensure to provide you with the simple, direct questions you might have in the exam as well as the tough, twisted questions, which are also very popular in the recent exams. Sometimes you might end up having an exam with mostly direct questions, which may make you wonder that the tough questions in MedRevisions were nowhere near to the exam. But please, do not forget that you were lucky to have an exam with direct questions, unlike many other exams. We also pay attention to the style of questions that appear in every exam and create new questions to help you with future exam scenarios. And these are marked as low yield. We have a separate filter to help you revise the high yield and recall questions, which are similar to the past exam questions separately. We consider a question high yield when the concepts of the question appear in the exam more than once. We also provide 24 complete PLAb 1 mocks, which is the most by any platform. With our mocks, you can customize and test yourself as time permits. The best part is you can reset and attempt mocks again for absolutely free. Based on our research and reviews from past exam candidates, we have made a video suggesting a method that has proven to be effective for completing the question bank effectively and efficiently. Click the first link in the description below to find out more. Similar to thousands of doctors who used our platform and passed on their first attempt, we hope to see you pass the exam on your first attempt. We wish you the best of luck with your upcoming exam.